Ever seen a football match with paws, claws and trunks? On Team Jungle, we've got the speedy cheetahs and the leaping kangaroos. And for Team Savannah, the agile gazelles and the mighty rhinos. But the real star of the show, our referee, the wise and fair elephant. As the whistle blows, cheetahs zoom past, kangaroos leap high, and gazelles dart around. Oh, and here comes a rhino charging through. But wait, our elephant referee makes a call. With a wave of the trunk, it's a free kick for Team Savannah. The crowd goes wild as the ball soars through the air. Who will score the winning goal? Tune in to see which team triumphs in this epic animal showdown. Remember, in the jungle, it's not just about winning, it's about having a roaring good time. Catch you on the field, folks.